always pulling up blasting music. It's rude. And that's what I signed up for. Blush palette is missing. And I'm about to throw a fit because y'all know how I feel about blush.
All you self-promoters are janky. We established.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're thinking to yourself, dang, she looks so pretty today. Me too. I'm just joking. I'm half joking because I do look pretty. We're gonna do our hair together, our makeup together. You're gonna see what I'm wearing. It's gonna be a fun little moment. If you guys want to see me get ready, then that's why you clicked on this video. Okay, see you in a few seconds without makeup on. Oh my friends, it has been literally months since we sat down and did hair and makeup and outfit together, and I'm ready to get ready with y'all. All right, so we're gonna start with hair because I just like to start with hair before makeup, because that way when your makeup is done, you actually feel beat. Because like if your face is like completely beat but your hair is a hot mess, you don't really feel yourself, you know? And I want it to all come together so I can start feeling myself. We're gonna start with hair, but if you know me, you know that my abilities, my capabilities, and my talent as far as hair goes, very low, extremely low. I don't even flat iron well. All that installing, dyeing bundles, turning a 613 to an ash blonde, it's not who I am, okay? I can't do that, okay? But I do think I should do more natural hair videos, especially because my natural hair has grown so much. Maybe talk about natural hair growth and show you guys like natural hairstyles, because contrary to popular belief, I do run my hair natural quite a bit. Increasingly more nowadays, now that my hair is growing so well. Today is gonna be kind of like a busy little day. I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of shopping. I do mean a little bit. I ain't gonna be out shopping all crazy. I wanna go look at some, maybe like home goods, some home decor stuff maybe. Cause I want more stuff. I've started like this super cute like gallery wall on my dining room. But also today, I really need to clean my beauty room. A part of the reason I keep having to clean it is because I have too much stuff. So I need to declutter my closet and my makeup collection. That is what I need to do, honestly. Because it's ridiculous how many clothes I have, how much makeup I have. It's like everything is always everywhere because I have too much stuff. Like, you would think now that I've moved out and I'm living on my own, I have to pay all these bills, I wouldn't have all this money to be shopping, but no, I'm shopping too much. So yeah, I'll probably declutter my closet and my makeup. I'll probably make a video out of that in the next 2 days. I also have to set up my bullet journal. I need to do that today. I don't know if you guys would be interested in like seeing bullet journaling videos from me, because it's like, you know, I don't know if that's what y'all are into or if y'all even know what that is, and like if I told you guys if you would even care. But bullet journaling is dope. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just like Google it or go on Pinterest or something. Or no, even here on YouTube, if you want to see like a full like video, you know, about what a bullet journal is. But it's just like the best planner in the world. You can just really plan your life and get your stuff together really easily. All right, now we're all straightened, but I need to put some more concealer or foundation in this lace, because you know that wears off after a while. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal, just for reference. This is Cool Tan. I'm gonna put that on my lace. Okay, hair's done, mostly. I mean, it's always kind of basic like this, so yeah, I guess it's done. Oh my God, I put my flat iron down and I thought it was off, but it wasn't. I had just turned it on low, so it was just like sitting there, just burning my towel. That's fun. So I've been using the NYX precision brow pencil, and somehow it completely broke. Like the last time I went to go use it, the pencil just was not, I'm always dropping something. Last time I went to go use it, the pencil just was not in there. It's completely broken. I don't know why or how it happened, but that's life, I guess. So because I don't have my precision brow pencil by NYX, and I'm out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencils, I'm taking the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream in medium brown, and I'm gonna do my brows with this. This product works good too. So good. See, it's a good thing I hoard makeup because now I have a selection. The only problem is I like to like lazy clean up my brows, and when you use a brow cream, it slides all over the place. You gotta be more precise when you're cleaning your brows. Also, I feel like I could have got this in like a shade darker. I was trying not to get it too dark, I think, which is why I got medium brown, but I could have got dark brown. Maybe like not black, but dark brown. Like look, this brow looks a hot mess like this. So usually I'll clean my brows later in the routine, but right now it's gonna drive me crazy to see my brow like this. So I'm gonna clean it now and then move on to the other brow because I can't, y'all. I cannot. You guys wanna know what honestly bothers me about myself? Like, and it bothers me the most in makeup is that I am not a perfectionist. I will know that my brows are uneven and only put in like half effort to fix it because I'm like, nothing's supposed to be perfect, you know? If it looks good, then just live your life. But at the same time, makeup is such a perfectionist craft. Like, if you get what I mean. Like, everybody wants super clean, sharp cut creases, and that's a good thing because, you know, it's about the artistry. But it's hard for me being someone who is not a perfectionist. I just want things to be good. I don't need them to be perfect. So it's frustrating for me because I feel like sometimes my makeup skills, not that they're not good enough, but they can be good enough, and I'm not willing to put in the effort. Isn't that weird? I know, it's really weird, but it's just how I think, and it affects me the most when I'm doing my makeup. I really want to do like dark lip liner with a lighter lip color today. I think that's the kind of vibe I'm on. My brows are really close together. Oh goodness. See, look, I'm like not a perfectionist. Like, I'll just kind of swipe off the brow hair that I don't want there, like where I filled it in. See, look, and it looks fine. That's why I don't think it's necessary to be a perfectionist all the time, because you can't tell that I just took my finger and smudged off, you know, brow cream. You can't tell. All right, if you've seen just one of my makeup videos, you know I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. Let's not be dumb, okay? You knew that already. I just broke the top off this foundation. That's okay, because the pump never worked anyway. Oh, it's working. What the heck? It just started working. Okay. Guess I fixed it. There it goes, acting dumb again. I get more product like this anyway, so that's all right. I'm gonna take a stippling brush and spread the product, and then my wet sponge and blend it out. That's how I feel like I get the best coverage. It's so crazy to me that there are people that can, like, they only apply with a brush. Like, that's wild. Even, like, sometimes I'll do sponge only, but I feel like it doesn't spread the product as well. It blends really well, but it doesn't spread the product as well. So, like, some places have more coverage than others. So this is, like, the perfect balance for me. Today, I don't want to go, like, too crazy on the makeup, because we have like a high of 85 today. I live in North Carolina. Don't get it twisted. Your girl's from Harlem, but I live in North Carolina right now. And we have a high of 85 and it's only spring. And I don't think I'm ready for summer in the South yet. This is my first time living down South. And honestly, I didn't even know North Carolina was that country. Like, but it is. Like, people are country here. My neighbor's always pulling up blasting music. It's rude. Some of us are trying to be influencers. We have to film. Same concealer. I had came away from this for a while. I was using the Instant Age Rewind. But can I be real with y'all? The Instant Age Rewind is so good, but nothing hit like the LA Girl Pro Conceal does. I don't know what it is. I don't get it. Maybe I need to look in the ingredients. I don't know. I don't know. But oh my God, this concealer really hits. For real. I've gotten this concealer in so many shades, so many colors. I've like repurchased this, like, no joke, at least 20 times. It's so good. It is so good. It never fails me. Honestly, I usually don't do my brows this small, like this little, and like kind of, this is more straight than I usually do them. I usually have more of an arch, but I really like my brows like this. Like as I'm doing my makeup, I'm looking and I'm like, okay, I see you, girl. All right, let's move this right along. Hold up, y'all, because my blush palette is missing. And I'm about to throw a fit, because y'all know how I feel about blush. Okay, we're going to take the e.l.f. Cream Contour Kit. I'm taking the darkest shade, hitting up my nose and a very little bit on the cheeks, because I suck at contouring my cheeks. Taking the e.l.f. blush palette. If you can't tell, I love e.l.f.'s face products. This shade right here, I stan. Okay, we stan her around here. I have a blush addiction. I'm in love with it. It's all I care about when it comes to my makeup. Like, brows can be busted, highlight can be patchy, foundation coverage can be terrible, but if my blush looks good, you can't tell me nothing, and I feel like Miss America. Ah, it's so cute. It is such a shame that brown girls stay away from blush because it looks so good on us. Oh my God, look at me. I'm like actually happy right now. Like I'm actually in my happy place putting on all this blush. It's ridiculous. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot. I gotta stop. That's a lot. Sometimes I get carried away like that. So then I take a little small kabuki brush and just kind of even things out. I gotta bring myself back down to earth. I'm not going to DragCon. I wish I was, but I'm not. And I have to even this back out. My lips look so plump. My face is beat. This is it. Period. Oh, yeah, this is it right here. Yep. Okay, makeup is done, and lie to you not, I feel so pretty right now. I don't know what it is about this beat, but it's really soft and natural, but it's still like really serving you a look. And that's what I signed up for. Okay, I'm gonna pick out an outfit and then show you guys my whole look, how I'm really about to serve, you know what I mean? Okay, my rack here is a mess, so just ignore that. We're not gonna talk about that because it's a mess, so just ignore it, don't be rude. So my top is from Shein. Actually, my top and my bottom are from Shein. But today, like I said, it's hot. I don't want to wear anything like super tight. So I have on just this short sleeve, Volt colored crop top. And then I have on my loose black Shein pants. You guys saw this in my last Shein haul. I don't know what shoes I'm going to wear with it. Right now I'm barefoot. But that's what I'm wearing, in case you were wondering. All right, guys. Actually, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. You have fun getting ready with me because I have fun getting ready with you. If you like this video, then leave me a like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this one and not like this one because I kind of do everything on this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Kisses. Muchos besitos. Bye.
Like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, shoot up ass, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you dress, got a nigga so impressed. Come out to the west.